How to generate a dump of the database and download it in Plesk. This tutorial assumes you know how to log into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, there is the Databases option. Click to go to the Databases interface. Here are the databases. Click to expand the database you wish to download. Go and click on the Export Dump option. It gives an option to export the database backup under a certain folder. You can click on the folder name where you wish to save. To download the database backup and save it to desktop, click the checkbox for the automatic download option and then click OK. Now click to save the file on our computer. The generated dump has been downloaded on our computer. Thank you for watching.